Hello, today we will guide you through how to install Citrix Workspace into laptop. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on getting the official Citrix Workspace installer from the Citrix website, so you can prepare your laptop for secure access to your virtual apps and desktops. We'll keep things clear and simple, and I'll point out useful tips along the way. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar or search box, type Citrix Workspace Download. Using this exact phrase helps you land on the correct page more quickly. When the results appear, look for the official Citrix website. It should display the citrix.com domain, and you'll typically see a padlock icon in the address bar indicating a secure connection. Avoid third-party download sites or ads, as the safest option is always to download directly from Citrix. Click the search result that takes you to the Citrix Workspace app, Downloads. On the Citrix page, locate the entry for Windows. You may see a version label such as Citrix Workspace App 25.1 of 10 for Windows. Version numbers can change over time, so if you see a newer release, that's perfectly fine. Just make sure it clearly says it's for Windows. Selecting the Windows option ensures you're getting the correct installer for your laptop's operating system. After opening the Windows Workspace app page, choose the Download File button. This begins downloading the standard installer. Your browser may ask you to confirm or choose a save location. If it does, pick a familiar place like your Downloads folder so you can find the file easily. Keep the browser open while the download completes, and don't worry if it takes a moment. These installers can be a few hundred megabytes in size. If you need an installer that works without an internet connection during setup, click the option labeled Download File for offline. This offline package includes all components in a single file. It's especially handy if you plan to install on multiple laptops, have limited connectivity, or want to avoid additional downloads during installation. Once the download finishes, the installer is ready on your laptop. You can verify it in your Downloads folder, and you're set for the actual installation process when you're ready. If your organization has security policies or antivirus prompts, just follow any on-screen guidance. And if you're using a different operating system, make sure to choose the corresponding Workspace app on the Citrix site. That's it. Your Citrix Workspace installer has been successfully downloaded from the official source, and you're prepared for the next step.